Hello there, beautiful souls out there. I hope you guys are doing well. And today in Mystical Universe, we are going to talk about a very important topic that is not getting triggered by people's word. And I know these days so many of us are following our passion, creating something new. Being creative is not easy. Following your passion is not easy. People going to judge, even your friends, your family members, your relatives going to judge. They are going to tell you that maybe you are not doing it right. Maybe you should follow the 9 to 5 job. You should do this, you should do that. And I don't know what else? But the main thing is, you need to remember that no matter what, no matter who says what, you need to believe in your own self. Because creating something is not easy. It never been easy. Because it is a risk. We all know that 9 to 5 job is a secure thing. But creating something, following your passion, is a risky path. But it satisfies your soul. So if you are taking this risky path and if you have the luxury to take that risky path, so take it. Let people talk, let relatives talk, let your friends talk. To be honest, I'm going to be brutal honest about this, that no one gonna support you when you first start this. Not even your friends. Okay? Some friends might. I'm not saying all your friends gonna be against you. No. Some people will support you and some won't, and that's what important. Even your classmates, your relatives, your family member is not going to support you. And strangers, well, they don't know you, so we can't expect support from them. But some people is out there who need your creativity, who need your work, your art, your music, your dance, whatever you're interested in. So share those things, share your creativity for them, not for the people criticizing you, but for the people who really needs it. Because when I first started sharing my videos, and I'm not saying that you're gonna be a star or famous in by making few videos. No, you have to hustle a lot. But my point is that when you do this, when I first started making my videos about a spiritual thing, it was very new to the community I'm from, because my friends, my family, some of the members I know, relatives, they were like, what this even means. I mean, what you are talking about, we don't understand. Because some spiritual stuffs I used to talk about is not normal for them, because they were still in matrix, and this is totally normal. So the important thing is, you need to understand that not everyone is going to understand your topic, not everyone going to support you. But if you are true to yourself and the thing you are doing is satisfying your soul and making you feel comfortable and happy, and you are not hurting anyone else, anyone's feeling or anything, then it's nothing wrong to do that. That's the most important thing. Following your passion and satisfying your own soul is so important these days, and it's never going to be easy, because society always judge. Okay, that you need to understand, the society will judge you no matter what you do. So if you are a beginner and doing this, so I just want to tell you that don't stop. Don't stop dancing because someone is saying you're not a good dancer. Don't stop singing because people think your voice is not good enough. If I give my example, I love multiple things. I do multiple things, like I make podcast, I make this what do you say, spiritual videos, I write books, I'm an author. And if you know me by now, you know I love singing. So yes, I do multiple things. Uh, I also love solving cases. So yeah, I started a podcast where I share mysterious thing, unsolved mysteries, and everything like that. So yeah, I'm pursuing the things I love, and I'm doing multiple things, and there is nothing wrong with it. You don't have to stick with a single thing because people think you should follow their path. it is secure path, 9 to 5 job and doing, and I'm not saying 9 to 5 job is a bad thing. Of course, it is a secure and good thing. And some people don't even have a luxury to follow their own path. They have so much responsibilities that they have to do the 9 to 5 jobs, and it's okay. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's your choice. Some people do this because they love it, and it's totally fine. This video is just for the people who is trying to follow their passion and can't fit or easily do the 9 to 5 jobs, okay? So all I'm saying is, whatever you do, if you have interest in anything, if your soul is craving for any creative thing, don't just dim it because the society will judge, or your relatives, your friends, your classmates, or your family members or strangers don't support you. One day they will. And the most important thing, the people who need this, the people who enjoy these kind of stuffs, they will support you. And when you become a person who is known for these kind of stuff, your own people will start supporting you too. So yeah, the most important thing is believing your own self. That's the most important thing. Do the hard work, do the best as you can, and that's enough. If you know you are doing your best, you are giving your best, and you are doing your hard work as much as you can, then people's opinion and what people think doesn't matter. Okay, so hope this message give you a little more strength to do what you love, follow your passion, following the creativeness in you, and show the world that the creative side of yourself. Share it. No one is perfect, okay? We all go through to be a beginner to expert, right? Every expert was once a beginner. So it's not a shame. There is nothing to be ashamed of, okay? Share your music, share your dance, share anything you love, okay? If it's not hurting anyone, it's not a bad thing. And if people judging, let them judge. That's what people do. Okay, so hope this video helps you, and if it does, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.